Hey, I'm so excited we're working out together. Today we're focusing on biceps and triceps. Are you ready to go? Cool, let's get started. So for today's strength training workout, you're gonna need a light set of dumbbells. I have 8 pounds and that's gonna be good for me, but you could start with 2.5s or 5s, and maybe if you've been doing this for a while, you can bump it up to 10s. We're gonna start with a quick little warm up here. Crisscross the arms, stand up nice and tall, pull your abs in and up. Palms face down, shoulders are back and down. Flip your palms up. Same thing, crossing right over left, left over right. Good, now take your feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. We're gonna take the palms back down and twist side to side. Pick up your back heel as you do this. Just warming up the midsection. Beautiful, couple more. Lovely. We'll take the arms forward for alternating swimmers. Try here not to rotate your torso. So the movement is coming directly from the shoulder joint, reaching all the way up and all the way forward. Good, 2 more. And 1. Take it back now, lead with the pinky and reach as far up and as far back as you possibly can. Good, still keeping the torso steady. Keeping the abs in, couple more, 2 and 1. Good, now I want you to take it to the right side. You're gonna tuck, bend your knees, hand on the hip, and then kick it back. So tuck and kick it back, tuck and kick it back. Good, give me 4 more just like that. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna reach this arm forward and pull. Forward, pull. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, use your legs, and through. Beautiful. Now both arms together, pull it back. Together, pull back. 6, 5, round your spine. 4, 3, open up the chest. 2, and through. Come to center, take the feet wide, lift. 7, sumo squats. 6, 5, knees are stacked over the heels. Good, 3 more. Last 2. Last one, turn to the other side. Here we go. Tuck it, kick it back. Good. We start with these triceps. Beautiful, 4 more. Keep the elbow up above the back. Reach that right arm across, forward, pull with the row. Good, reach for your knee. Use your legs. 3, 2, both arms together to the front, round it, open. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, use your abs. 2, and 1. Back to center one more time, sumo. 7, 6, take your feet nice and wide. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Shake your arms out, shake your wrists out. Do whatever else you need to do to get ready. Maybe a couple shoulder circles here, forward and back. If you want to do a couple neck rolls, whatever you feel still needs a little bit of a warm up, make sure you do that now, and we'll jump right into the strength stuff. We're gonna be doing 3 sets today. Now, as you progress through this workout, you can add an additional 4th set. We're going from 10 to 15 reps of 2 different moves. We're gonna superset them, so there's no rest in between the sets, okay? So hang with me, and if you need to bump your rep count down, so say you start at 15 and then by the 3rd set, you're kind of wiped and your form is starting to fail, make sure you dial it back and keep it appropriate to you, but stay in that 10 to 15 rep range. The first exercise we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pick up those weights, stand nice and tall, roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Now take your feet slightly wider than your hips, take your toes pointing out to the sides. It's gonna be a sumo squat press. So your palms face forward, we're gonna reach down, see as low as you can go without letting your chest fold forward, okay? So keep the chest up, hips down and back, shoulders down and back. We're gonna curl up as we go, and then overhead press. So back in and down, there's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, curl it up. 6, 7. Good, 8 are already gone. You got 7 to go. 6, 5, Almost there, you got it. 4. Use your glutes. 3. Keep your abs tucked. Last one, all the way down, all the way up. Good, we have a little bonus here. I want you to lock your left arm to your left knee. We're gonna curl for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, other side right away. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful, no rest. Going right into one dumbbell on the floor. We're gonna take it down into a tricep kickback in a plank. So you're gonna take your feet super wide here. You're gonna pull the elbow up, kick it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 5 more. 5, 4, and 1. Other side. You got a fresh arm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to swing the weight. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Set that down, come on up, shake it out, catch your breath, find your second wind, and here we go, round 2. Starting with the sumo squat press. Palms forward, facing the front, take your feet nice and wide, toes point out, shoulders back, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should be breathing. 8. Come on, you got this. 7, 6, 2 more. Boom. Last one. Come on, all the way down, right into those bonus. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, curl it. 1, other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, recovery. Last 2. Last one, beautiful. Tricep plank kickback. This is my assistant Rocket. If you have a furry friend with you, get him involved. Now, if you need to modify, you can go down to your knees here. Otherwise, wide feet, get the elbow up. Here we go. Come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, you're strong. 4, 3, 2, and through. Fresh arm, here we go. Other side, feel free to drop your knees if you need. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there. 6, 5 to go. 4 to go. 2, and through. Beautiful. Here we go. Last set for some of you. Second to last set for others. Catch your breath. Charge yourself up, and let's go. Here we go. You're strong, you got this. Take those feet wide. You can do this, come on. Here we go, curl. 2, 3. Get low. 5. Halfway there. More than. Come on. 7. Let's go. 6. 5. Breathe. Last one. All the way up, all the way down. Right into the bonus. Other side, we start first. 8, 7, 6, 5. Do you hear me breathing? 4. It's a beautiful thing. 2. And switch. Here we go. 8, 7. Drop those hips. Get low. Come on. 4 more. 3, 2. Abs in. 1. Last set. Plank, tricep, kickback. We're gonna start with the opposite arm first this time, okay? So get on down on your mat, no rest. Show me your superset, wide feet. Here we go. Pull it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Abs in. 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4, hang with me, 3, 2, and through. Beautiful. Whew, I gotta take a quick rest. Holy mackerel. Hang with me, come on, here's your last move. Last side, last move. Here we go, then we'll stretch it out. Make sure you get hydrated the rest of the day. Pull it up. 1, 2. Exhale as you press out. 5, 6, 7, try not to swing it. 7 to go. Come on, last 5. Let's go. Find your strength. 3, 2, and through. Beautiful job. Set your knees down. Set your weights off to the side. Find a quick child's pose for me, please. Rest your head. Catch your breath. Beautiful. Slowly roll all the way up and find a seated position. Woo! I'm sweating. Okay, so in a nice comfortable seated position, we're gonna take the hands in the fronts of your legs. Inhale to lift. Pull the shoulders down. And exhale to round. Inhale to lift, catch your breath. Exhale to round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round in. Inhale up, good. 2 more. Last one, all the way up, pull the shoulders down. And round it in, look at your belly button. Come to a comfortable neutral spine. Take the right arm across, drop the shoulder down. Good, nice little shoulder stretch here. So this focus for today was primarily biceps and triceps, but we also hit the shoulders as well. Gotta stretch them out. Other side, drop the shoulder down. Whew. Don't you feel so much better? Aren't you so glad you just powered through that? Oh, feels so good, right? Bring both arms up, big inhale, and exhale, bend the right elbow. Nice tricep stretch here. Reaching that right hand down the back of your spine. Make sure your head is free to move here, so you're not squeezing or pressing on your head or neck. It's like you have your face in a picture frame. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend that left arm. Whew. Stretching out those triceps. Feels so good, right? Inhale, both arms up. Fingertips reach. Exhale, take the arms out to the side, thumbs point up. Good, now take the thumbs to point back behind you, make a fist. Lift the chest and see if you can get those thumbs to touch in the back. It's a trick question. This is not really possible unless you're double jointed. However, you should feel the stretch in the fronts of your arms and your biceps, maybe even a little bit in the chest or the front shoulder muscle. Take a big inhale here. And exhale, bring the hands back to center, thumbs point down. Reach the thumbs together, lift the chest again. Now some of you are so flexible in your shoulders that you can actually clasp your hands in the back here and really extend the stretch. Opening up the chest, descending the shoulders down. Good, take one more big inhale here. And exhale back to center. We'll inhale one more time. And exhale, we're gonna fold forward using our own body weight here to stretch the legs and relax the head, relax the neck. Take a big inhale here, and exhale, let it out. Carefully walk your way back up to a seated position. We're gonna come onto the balls of the feet. Press the hands down in front of you, big inhale. And then as you exhale, you're gonna press your heels down to lift the hips. So now we're in a halfway lift. Bring the hands to the shins if you have tight legs. For some of you who are nice and flexible, you can get your hands all the way to the floor. That's wonderful. Or you're here, strong, straight legs. Good, as long as you have caught your breath and you feel like you're nice and cool, then you can heel toe the feet out, slightly wider than the hips, and fold gently forward, clasping the elbows, rocking side to side. Now, if you feel like you're still heavily breathing, just do a couple more stretches, a couple more breaths here until you can really bring that heart rate down before you do the forward fold. Pull the belly in and up. Lift the kneecaps up towards your hips to flex the front of the legs. One more big inhale here. And exhale, release the hands. Shake your head no. And shake your head up and down yes. Then we're gonna bend the both knees and slowly roll up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Take your feet out nice and wide. You're gonna take your hands to your hips. Big inhale here. And exhale, keeping strong, straight legs. You're gonna fold halfway. Take one arm and stir the pot. 2, and 1. Other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. 5 times one way. Big circles. And then 5 times the other way. 2, and 1. Both hands to the hips. Big inhale. Use the backs of the legs to lift up, squeeze your butt. One more inhale, reach. And exhale, squat. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale, squat. Last one here. Inhale up. Spread your fingers wide. Pull back and down. Nice work today. You absolutely rocked it. This is real sweat. I'm like drenched, and so should you be. Make sure that you hydrate for the rest of the day and get a little bit of protein and fast carbs in your next meal. That'll help your muscles to more quickly repair and recover. You want to think of the quick acting carbs as a broom that's going to help sweep those proteins up into the muscle fibers that we just tore down. We got to build them back up. That's how you get stronger, leaner, fitter, faster metabolism, lower body fat percentage, and all the stuff that I know you're after, because it makes us healthier, happier, and overall more fulfilled in our lives. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name's Liz, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.